Well, everyone, I went ahead and bought an iPhone 6S. Now, I had the 6S already, so I repackaged it, but this is a brand new box that I got, which is very interesting. Now, it's crazy to think how the iPhone 6S box from 2015 still completely holds up. Apple did a great job. I think this is one of my favorite boxes of all time. Now, this one is a little bit of a, like crinkled right here, but again, I wanted to say this from last time. Look at how big this box was. It's pretty insane. And this box actually came with some of the original accessories, not all of them. I had to put some extra in here. They didn't bring a charger in this, which is very weird, but it is very interesting to see how thick this box is compared to the top of the iPhone 13 box. I mean, it's so crazy to think of like how, how many changes there's been made since this iPhone's release. Now this iPhone apparently was 32 gigabytes, but the one I have is 16 gigabytes, which is totally okay. So let's go and open up the top. And as always, the iPhone is pretty much placed right on the top of this device. Now I didn't have any screen protectors or anything to put over it, but this is typically what the unboxing experience would be like. So from here, you can lift up the iPhone 6S and you would have the 6S right here, which is great. This box did come with the original little top portion, which was really cool, but it also came with the original booklet as well, which was really crazy to me. I wasn't expecting this. So taking up the booklet, we'll get into this in a second. You would normally have your ear pods or AirPods. You would normally have your ear pods up here, your charging little block right here, and you would have your charger, which is very strange because it looks like this charger was smaller, or at least in a smaller section. I tried to fit one of my original chargers in here, it wouldn't fit, and I just figured it was a waste of time. But actually, when you look through the booklet, if we go ahead and open it here, you can see it did come with the original SIM tray slot here and with the little portion telling you how to do it. Opening it up here, you can see that internally, we do actually have the iPhone 6S booklet, which is very interesting, and it tells you exactly what's going on with it. It's kind of vintage now, which is very cool. And it looks like it's like iOS 7 type of font, but this could be like iOS 8 or iOS. I think it came out with iOS 9. You also did have the pamphlet here, and you did have the original Apple stickers as well. So this is actually really cool that we still have these pamphlets here. I'm surprised they even have these in here. Typically, when I buy used devices, they don't keep these type of accessories. That's why I tell you guys to keep them because you can probably pay more money. I didn't think I paid more extra money for this thing, but if it was a sealed iPhone 6S, that'd be completely different with all the accessories inside of it. Now, like I mentioned before, the craziest part is when you look at the iPhone 6S and when you compare it to the accessories nowadays that we get into a box, you really don't get anything inside of the iPhone 13 box, which is very sad. Look at all the things, and I don't even have the charger in here. And it was a really crazy thing. Nowadays, we don't have our ear pods. We don't have even a charging block. We only get a charger. And it's really only a matter of time before we don't even get that into the box either. So that's a quick little unboxing of the iPhone 6S in 2022. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, help me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.